It is very nice to really recollect a decade ago when we started this business, when we planted the seeds of Royal to the minds of Filipinos. We provided the inspiration that is necessary for that certain kick-off.
Hindi po masamang managinip.
Hindi masamang managinip eh. That provided inspiration for those that believed in Royal. We enabled them to achieve their dreams by building a company and an institution like Royal. I hope that we can help more Filipinos in realizing their dreams. Sa inyong mga prospective Royalistas, inuulit ko, hindi masamang managinip. Magkakatotoo yan sa Royal. I am very proud to state that we have enabled to establish Royal to be the leading network marketing company in the Philippines with honesty, transparency, and right business ethics. This is your chairman inviting all Royalistas to join and support our effort towards the celebration of our 1-decade, 10-year experience in the Philippine arena.
Nakakatuwa lang na balikan yung nakaraan nung nag-start ako sa Royal way back 2006. Kasi hindi pa masaya nga, wala ako eh. So parang dati, ang ultimate place na pupunta ako talaga lagi is yung Quezon Avenue, which is dito sa ating opisina. Pero sino maniniwala na sa kaka-Royal, hindi lang pala Quezon ang pwede kong puntahan. Naalala ko, sabi ko, first time ko sasakay ng aeroplano, travel incentive pa na Royal. Dinala kami sa Dos Palmas, which is sa Palawan. Ganda. Tapos after a few months, nakakatuwa, meron na naman travel sa Hong Kong. Medyo na-delay nga kami kasi wala kaming passport. Kasi kung titingnan mo, hindi namin in-expect na makapag-travel. Kahit ako, hindi ko pinangarap mag-abroad dahil alam ko yung credentials ko, hindi siya pwedeng pang-abroad. Ang Royal kasi siya nag-pioneer na magbigay ng napakagandang incentive sa mga distributors niya. Talagang gaganahan kang mag-Royal. Kasi ultimo hindi mo pinapangarap, pwede matupad. Sabi nga ng chairman natin, hindi masamang managinip. Pero sa Royal, tinuruan tayong managinip at tinulungan tayong matupad yung ating mga pangarap o yung ating mga panaginip. Until dinadala kami sa Europe, then after that, pinapunta kami sa South America, which is sa Brazil. Tapos napunta rin kami ng South Africa. Ang ganda! Kasi nakaka-amaze yung mga nakikita namin doon. Then after that, punta naman ng Amerika, and napunta pa kami ng Australia. A few months ago, pinadala kami sa Russia, tsaka yung napakagandang lugar sa Turkey, which is yung Cappadocia. Kala namin dati, pupunta lang kami doon para bumisita, para makita yung magagandang lugar o tanawin, talagang ma-overwhelm ka. Pero na-realize namin, kaya pala kami pinapapunta doon na Royal, because yun ang unang-unang step namin to royalize the world. Dati, parang ang Filipino, ang opportunity niya lang para kumita sa abroad is for him or her na magtrabaho. Pero nakikita ko, you can be more than that eh. Which is, yun ang ginawa ng Royal. Royal gave us a world-class opportunity. That's the reason why, before we were just traveling around the world, but right now, we're so excited to royalize the world. To all the Royalistas all over the world, we are inviting you to witness and celebrate our 10th anniversary in Philippine Arena. See you there!